Recently, I have been using Vivo V29 Pro. This device has some very good features and some annoying features. Today in this video, I will be talking about the good points and the bad points of Vivo V29 Pro. Vivo V series phones are known for their cameras. This phone has also some very good sets of cameras. We will talk about it later. The build quality of this smartphone is solid. The combination of metal and glass gives a very good look to the smartphone, and the aura light ring, as you can see here, it also adds beauty to this smartphone. The black color has some shinier matte finish and it feels very solid, and there is no fingerprint smudges on the back. On the front you can find 6.78 inches AMOLED display. You can play 4K 60 fps HDR videos on YouTube, and the color algorithm seems to be very good, though it is not as vivid and crispy as Samsung displays. Personally, I like Samsung displays more. It doesn't mean that the display of Vivo V29 Pro is a downgrade. This device also has deep blacks and good color and contrast, and the color algorithm seems to be fine here also. This display supports HDR10 on Netflix app also. As it comes with 6.7 inches AMOLED display, multimedia consumption is excellent on this device and you will feel immersive experience on this display. The display comes with 120Hz of refresh rate, so it feels very snappy while multitasking or switching between apps. The display also supports smart refresh rate, so it will consume less battery. Usually I am getting very good battery life. It gives me an SOT of 7 hours plus, and the battery backup of Vivo V29 Pro is superb, and also there is no heating issue in this smartphone. Though this device comes with MediaTek Dimensity 8200 processor, it is a very capable processor. It clocks at 3.1 GHz and also it gives you a sustained performance. If you want, you can get good gaming experience with this. The best part of Vivo V29 Pro is the cameras. It has a Sony sensor of 50 megapixel with OIS, and also a telephoto lens that is 2x portrait lens, and also comes with 8 megapixel of ultra wide sensor. While taking shots in daylight, I have noticed one thing. Under harsh sunlight, the camera doesn't perform well, but in low light condition the camera performs very well. This is because of the higher aperture of the smartphone camera. This phone comes with 2x portrait lens and the output of the portrait lens is excellent. V29 Pro comes with 50 megapixel eye autofocus camera. The image output of the 50 megapixel camera is above average. You can see here it applies a lot of software features and it smoothened the face, but the final result is excellent and you can share it on social media. The camera UI looks like this. You will get all the necessary features here. Also there are some modes like dual camera feature, or as you can see here, high resolution mode, panorama mode, ultra HD document, slow-mo, time-lapse, super moon, astro pro, sports, food, dual view and live photos. In videography, you can shoot up to 4K 60 fps with the main sensor and up to 4K 30 fps with the other two cameras. You can shoot 4K 60 fps in front camera also. Vivo V29 Pro is running on Android 13 with FunTouch OS 13. If you want a stable performance, don't update your smartphone to the latest version, because Vivo phones are already customized, and if you update it through OTA, it will give you a bad performance and the camera quality will decrease a lot. I have noticed this problem with Vivo a long time ago, and this problem also exists with Vivo V29 Pro. If you still want to update your smartphone to the latest version, don't update it through OTA. Go to service center and manually install the latest version on your smartphone to get a very good performance. Hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you have any questions regarding this smartphone, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.